As I was, I am talking about, right? So this is my global experience. So where I am having implementation, 20 plus years of ERP implementation experience. I am trying to share my entire experience with these kind of, for example, as I said, SAP is one of the global best software. So where you have logistics modules and also the financial modules. So these days it is not just R3. So we we are trying to work on the entire HANA edition of this particular software. So you need to understand the SAP S4 HANA. This is what I'm going to cover in the entire classes. That is S4 HANA. So the S4 HANA is nothing but high performance analytical appliance. So that is one of the best. Excuse me. So S4 HANA is a new cloud software of SAP. So that I am going to cover. And as I said, you have the presentation, application, and database. All these three things are very important. So people who want to start SAP career, remember that. So this is a redundant data exclusion. This is managerial control. SAP will give you interface control, organizations, customers, competitors, everywhere. The business is going to work at a fantastic way. So, as an SAP consultant, you should always understand top US companies, top Indian companies, top European companies, all are in SAP. So, the advantages are very short implementation, process re-engineering enablers are ready-made. It is comprehensive. It is industry specific, pharma, manufacturing, uh, FMCG, construction, metro rails, all railways it can cover. It can cover the steel industry. It can cover oil and gas, gold mines. So you name it, entire African nation, African continent runs on SAP because most of them are automated. So these days, all the mines are automated. So you need to understand that the business models which I'm going to cover will have presentation, application, and database. So as a choice, I can always say that you should learn the ASAP methodology. We also have one more methodology called Activate, Accelerated Systems, Applications, and Products Implementation Roadmap, ASAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, Products. It is a total ecosystem of three. It is a package: systems, applications, and software products. Software systems, software applications, software products. So what he has done is he has clubbed this software for our. So here I can do developments, I can do technical solution, I can give content UI, I can go for security job roles. There are many things which we can do within this ASAP implementation roadmap. So I will be in the real time projects, I'll be teaching you how to customize, develop, how to do the testing and quality, and how to do the production. There are three roles which you have to know to get into software industry, not just SAP, any software industry: development, quality, production. So I will teach you how to go live in production, how to test, and also how to develop. So as an SAP consultant, you should know what is sandbox is like a sandbag, the boxing sandbag where you practice. So that means practice system, test system, training system, pre-production. So all these roles is very important. Which course you want to learn is different, but you have to learn any SAP course you learn, or any cloud course you learn, or any DevOps you learn, .NET you learn, Oracle you learn, Salesforce you learn, but you should know all these fundamentals very well. Development, testing, production. So I will be teaching you the software related implementation methods. I'll be teaching you the migration process, import. Here you can see how to import, how to export. So in the interviews, they are going to ask this, not the question and answers. They will ask you, how did you migrate data from development to testing? You should explain them the transport mechanism. How did you correct? So all these things I'm going to explain you in detail. I will also explain the integration. So here, so these are some integration processes. That means this demand is from the customers. Then based on the demand in the market, I will do purchasing with vendors. Then I will sign an outline agreement with this vendor, purchase from him, GR, goods receipt, invoice verification, account payable. So this is generally dealt by this modules like SD and ML, mostly by material management. So you want to learn this, you can get into this. Production, this is all shop floor. And remember, this is all ready made in SAP. You have to do some small changes if required. For SD person, only this is enough. Customer order, picking. So like how you buy on Amazon, order, pick, pack, GI, billing, receivable. That's it. So this is so easy to learn and so easy to understand. So you don't need to worry about how you are going to pick all this sales order process, how the trading goods is works. So that means this software has all these features. Tomorrow, for example, a particular company bought this SAP. For example, Reckitt and Coleman, they are from FMCG products. So the orders will come, then they will pick the stock, pack it in box, send it through e-commerce or bill it and receive the money into the bank. So this software is having all these built-in features. You don't need to worry about it. You have these built-in features like all inquiry, quotation, order, contract, then billing, shipping and transportation, picking, packing, billing. So that means it is that is the reason I say this is the easiest module. If someone want to start, sir, I am confused, I don't know what to do, then I will simply say that any MBA, because all MBAs, 80% of your MBA is same, syllabus is same. Only the specialization you do, but in SAP, when you come to the interview, your BTech computers, BTech mechanical, MBA marketing, MBA finance, BBM, BBA, anyone can come into these modules. Not a problem. We will not question you, why did you learn this module, right? It is based on your interest and also your skill, right? So, as I said, the customer order, we will check the stock, we will issue, we will bill, we will do the partial payment, and then later, after delivery, final payment. So all these things are well organized in SAP so that we will see how to work in these things. So if I go to this, you can see this availability check, independent demand, production scheduling, material requirement. This is all, it may be very difficult for you now to understand like this, but in SAP, the steps are very easy. The books I'll be giving you, the manuals I'll be giving you, the systems I'll be giving you. So I will stand as a mentor for building this course. So this is more about production. I don't I will I generally want you to understand how the what is this goods receipt, what is this goods issue, what is billing, what is account receivable. So we will discuss as we go into the classes. We will map it, we will get into the rules of the password, we'll get into the language, we will get into all these, what are these error messages in the system, right? So I will be teaching you the end to end process of this particular course. So here you can see this lot of information silos will be there: marketing and sales, manufacturing, HR, inventory, financial account. So we are going to cover one major module, but you will have secondary knowledge also. So this course will go for more than 2 months, 2.5 months, in fact, right? So we will be teaching you all these, how this software is run and which module is good for you. And based on that, we will prepare your resume. We will send you to job trials, and we will also support you on job after getting the job. So even during interviews also, we are going to help you out. So you can see this. We have related details here, where we have all these flow charts, information flowing from one system to other. And SAP is a very ready-made software. It is flexible, it is modular, comprehensive. Beyond the company, it is going to think about your competitors, your suppliers, your vendors. So, and ERP will bring the integration. That is the reason lot of demand is there for SAP, because it will integrate purchasing in India with finance in Singapore, inventory in Bangladesh, HR sitting in all countries, manufacturing in Bangladesh or in Gujarat in India, and marketing and sales across the globe. So that means ERP, one system, everyone is working. But these people from India, UAE, UK, US are working on here, and purchasing people from any every country working here. Financial accounting sitting in US working here. Inventory from Bangladesh working here. It is a centralized system where all data is shared and controlled across the globe. To control any company, any manufacturing company, pharma company, so we use this ERP. So this is where this is the first thing where all the purchasing employees, accounting employees, auditing employees are going to connect here. So we are going to tune up and understand, this is the wireless, it is cloud, it is AI, it is internet driven. All the workforce related technologies are available in ERP. That is the reason it is in such demand. So it is having sales, it is having warehouse, it is having accounts, it is having account receivable. So I will be teaching you all these things, the basic training, the project training, the resume making, the ERP method of presentation, value addition to your careers, and best of class consultants departing the training. Like people like me, if sometimes, you, some experts also, I'll try to push in as and when needed for the interviews, for the resume making, or from HRs also, I'll be calling them, and they will interview you people based on your preparation. And I will have tests every week you have to attend, right? So you need to know that the end-to-end business process in marketing, sales, manufacturing, HR, purchasing. So all these modules right now, one software only, but you don't need to learn all. You choose one module like sales and distribution, like material management, like quality management, your choice. But predominantly, if you are new to SAP, start with this easiest module. If you have core accounting, banking, chartered accountant, auditing knowledge, then go to. Otherwise, don't touch the accounting module. This is very, very difficult. So don't touch HR module, because HR is limited to some companies only. That is the reason HR. That is the reason you have to sales, purchasing. These are high on demand. Production. You can learn these modules easily, and you'll get jobs much faster than other modules where competition is limited when compared to the volume what they have, right? And every country here, I can help you in UAE, I can help you in Singapore, US, UK. Even if you want to travel to Europe or Japan or Korea, I get lot of requirements. But I have to be happy with your skills. Without skills, don't ask me to support in the job market. I cannot. But I can prepare a good resume for you. I can prepare for the interviews, but you do the hard work. What I'm giving, I'll give you the books. I'll give you materials. I have tons of materials in SAP with me, so you don't need to worry about all the materials for FICO, SD, MM. So every module I can give you the support. See, lot of support related activities, like, for example, here in Capgemini, there are a lot of interview questions, so which I have already put it. Lot of interview questions, tickets. So I will be sending you some good information every time, and I will also teach you the terminology with ABCD. You don't need to worry about it whether you know this SAP or not. You come here with open mind and come with a good learning ability, and don't miss more than 20% classes. Every class is recorded, and you can also get the manuals, books, and career guidance end to end. This is where what we can expect here at Acharya from all of us. So, yeah, any questions from your end? Any of you, Venkat or Santosh?
Hello, sir, Venkat here.
Yes.
Sir, actually, as per my company instructions, I have to. They are using the SAP HR HANA 2021 model. They are saying. I don't know
Okay.
actually what is that SAP HANA 2021 model.
Yes,
For
yes, yes.
payroll, I need
Uh-huh.
to learn payroll.
Yes. Yeah.
Is
Only
it
payroll you need to
cover
learn?
or? Yeah, sir. Payroll,
Yeah.
payroll. They have instructed actually. HR,
Okay.
HCM, including this.
Yeah, yeah. I can help
Is
you
it
in
possible,
payroll.
sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In S/4HANA payroll, we can go online. See, but payroll means పేరోల్ ఒక్కటే నేర్చుకుంటే సరిపోదు కదా. పేరోల్ కి ముందు మీరు సాలరీ అప్లోడింగ్ అన్ని నేర్చుకోవాలి కదా. దానికి
Yes,
ఇంకా
yes, yes.
బ్యాకప్ ఉంటుంది
అవునవును
చాలా.
సార్ అవునవును
ఓన్లీ
సార్ అవును
పేరోల్,
బ్యాకప్
పేరోల్ అంటే 10
ఆల్
టాపిక్లే కాదు. దాని ముందు ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ స్ట్రక్చర్
ఎస్
ఉంటుంది, బిజినెస్ స్ట్రక్చర్
ఎస్
ఉంటుంది,
ఎస్
అది కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి.
అవునవును
మాస్టర్ డేటా
బిజినెస్ స్ట్రక్చర్
నేర్చుకోవాలి.
మాస్టర్ డేటా అవును సార్
పేరోలే 70% అండి హెచ్ఆర్ లో. టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా తక్కువ, చిన్న మాడ్యూల్స్.
ఓకే
అది ఏ పేరోల్? ఇండియన్ పేరోలా, యుఎస్ పేరోలా, యూకే పేరోలా, విచ్ పేరోల్?
ఇండియా ఓన్లీ సార్ ఇండియా ఓన్లీ బట్
యా.
దే సెడ్ దే ఆర్ సేయింగ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో యాక్చువల్లీ ఎస్ఏపి హనా మోడల్ హనా 2021 మోడల్ లైక్ దట్
యా, యా. 21 అంటే క్లౌడ్ మోడల్. ఎస్. యా, యా.
ఓకే
సంతోష్
సార్
కుమార్, యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్? సంతోష్ కుమార్, శ్రీ సంతోష్ కుమార్, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్? యా, సంతోష్
Yeah,
జీ.
no question, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So, we are going to start the classes immediately, in fact. So, once you want to enroll, you can always talk to our people, and any more questions also, you can take my WhatsApp number from there. Okay?
సార్
Okay.
ప్రాసెస్ ఇది ఇస్ ఇట్ ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్
Online. See,
హెచ్ఆర్
classroom
సార్
for only payroll, we cannot go offline. It's one module, gada.
ఎస్
So, if you want to go classroom, but you have to, I can give you a classroom option, but you have to come to our Madhapur office.
any weekend also is better sometimes direct interact at least weekend other days
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can attend in online.
Weekend. Yeah, weekend is fine. Yeah, yeah. Only weekend you want classes.
Other days I can access through online, sir. It is
No, no.
better
For
to
doubts, you can come to
understand
the
and
office. That's what I'm saying.
for doubts. Yeah.
It is not complete online. For
Okay.
any technical doubts, you come to our office, and we have our team there. It's an implementation
Okay.
company.
Okay.
It's not a training company. That I can help. Sri Santosh, so you are interested in which module, SD or MM?
SD,
Sri
sir.
Santosh,
SD,
SD,
SD.
right?
Yes.
SD is at 9 a.m. So where the pre-sale, sale, shipping, billing related class will start. So by tomorrow you have to enroll, so that I'll be sending you the system, books, materials, and also some
Sir,
introduction videos.
someone told me that some easy to learn the SAP basis. So which one
No,
is easy, sir?
no. Basis is not easy, because Basis has a lot of cloud knowledge required. Basis needs database knowledge. Basis needs security knowledge.
Okay.
With zero knowledge, any module can do, that is SD.
Okay. Sure, sure.
Don't go to Basis. I'll not suggest you to Basis, because You don't know how that, what is the database system, upload, import, export. You don't know the security system. You don't know the identity management. So that's a big subject. Basis is installation. Basis is backup and recovery. It's a big subject.
Okay.
So don't get into basis.
Sure, sir.
Right. Basis is easy for those people who come from systems background, like who are from database administrator, DBA, people who come from cyber securities, people who come from SAP securities or any other security uh, options. For them, it will seem easy who have database knowledge, application knowledge, and it will have night shifts. Basis is always night shift, most of them,
Okay.
because backup, recovery. One will do when the employees are going home. You have to work, isn't it? Backup has to happen in the night.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that is the reason basis. No, I don't suggest.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, Santosh ji, you have any questions? Please ask me.
No, no questions. I'm SD joining.
You're joining SD. Yeah. SD is the best module because, as far as 1 minute, someone else is. So, as far as the sales and distribution is concerned, so I will just give you one single small. Yeah. So I'll give you a small overview about, because I've given the SAP overview to to start with, because many people come from different areas. So as a functional consultant, you need to understand the SAP's knowledge which you are going to gain from my end. So it will be end to end. So where I'm going to show you the SAP overview here. So as far as SD is concerned, I always found it easy because I come from a mechanical background. I searched for something which is the easiest one. So then I have worked in I worked in PP, I have FI knowledge, I have HR knowledge. So some I have knowledge, some I'm very good at. But SD, it is a common man language. That means online buying, sales, stock checking, and taking the payment from the customers, invoicing. All those things are quite an easy thing, where these management knowledge we really need, like machinery, like manpower. So as far as SD is concerned, just now I've shown you some SD flowchart. So it is like this: farm, then manufacturing hops, brewer. So all these things are very important and easy for you guys to understand. Farm, hops and grains, brewer, distributor, still the customer. See this $7. Here it is 34 cents. So that means you need to understand, even a cool drink is hardly 5 paisa, but you pay them 30 rupees because of distribution cost, because of packing cost, refrigeration cost, transportation cost. There'll be many things, right? Commissions, taxes. So all this together, it has become $7, right? Why it has become 500 rupees? Because it was 0.34 here. So you need to understand why these things are real-time business flows are very important for you guys to make an SAP learning. So I'll be teaching you what is sales, how the goods and services will work, how the distribution will work, how the services are delivered to the customer, and I can help you out from your understanding of the course, resume preparation, project preparation, taking you to, if you, even if you want a job support, I am going to readily give. You don't need to worry about it. So I'll give you end-to-end support. And I will also get some requirements from across the globe, India and outside. And institute also will be getting. I personally also will help you. Both sides you will get a help. So I'll teach you how the sales works, how the accounts work, how the factory works. So all these flow charts end to end, I'm going to teach you. So you have the consignment, you have third party, you have rush order, you have returnable packaging. So all these I'm going to teach you. The integrations. integration with integration with CO, FICO, integration with production. So end to end, you are going to learn along with me in this module. So integration with finance. So you don't need to worry about, because I'm a multi-module guy. So it is not a big deal for me to train you guys. Okay, so yeah, so I am done for today. So once you start enrolling Santosh and Venkat, to Santosh and Venkat, so
Yeah.
we will. I'll be sending you materials, books, system access. Be prepared for Monday morning. SD at 9
Okay.
a.m. HR will start in the afternoon at 2 o'clock. Okay,
Okay.
right then. Who's there here? Suma or Farah? Who is there? Farah. Hello. Okay. That's fine. So let us catch up. They are going to talk to you. Okay. So we will catch up on Monday morning class at 9 a.m.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. See, both Santosh G and Santosh Kumar, they are for SD, and Venkat is for HR.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah. Right. Then see you all. See you again on Monday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Right
sir.
then. Yeah. See you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome.